Apple is dropping iOS 18.2 Beta 4 for registered developers, and hopefully we have some fixes in place for this beta. We were experiencing a ton of overheating and terrible battery drain in Beta 3. Battery life was by far the worst it's been with the 3 prior betas. Hopefully Beta 4 does resolve that, and it does make some of the Apple Intelligence features a little smoother. The visual intelligence was very kind of glitchy in this beta, so hopefully this will all be improved. Let's take a look at the build number, the build size, and go from there. Let's go. So even though it was a few days late, iOS 18.2 Beta 4 is here and just finished installing on our 16 Pro Max. Now, a couple call outs here. The phone yet again did get significantly hotter than what you would like to see from these updates. However, it did cool down pretty quickly after, which was good to see, and that has not always been the case in the prior betas. So this beta did come in at about 788 megabytes, which is on par for a 4th beta. Let's jump into settings, general, and about, and see what new build number we have, and this is kind of surprising. It is actually an A build. So this has a full build number of 22C5142A. And the prior Beta 3 actually did have an E build. So this is a big jump for a single beta cycle. It's actually even more surprising when you take into account all of the issues that were found with Beta 3. And if you guys were unaware, there was issues that where even when you were charging to 100%, the phone would randomly get hot, then cool back off, and then get hot again, whether you were charging it via MagSafe or regular charging. Kind of weird. Hopefully that is resolved now. But then also, if you used Apple Intelligence, and specifically when you launched Visual Intelligence, this would be very, very laggy and very glitchy, where it would not give you results or simply freeze up. Beyond that, also, data speeds, whether you were on Wi-Fi or cellular, were pretty buggy. So hopefully, again, all of this has been resolved by this beta since it is an A build. Now, one of the hopeful features we were anticipating to see on Beta 4, or maybe it won't even be part of 18.2, that was going to be a battery charging indicator similar to what you get on Android phones, telling you how much time is left for a full charge. We would anticipate that being under battery and charging. However, as you can see here, we do not have any new options yet here. Simply set charge limit, optimize battery charging, and clean energy charging are the only options. So nothing under charging, and battery health still remains the same options as well. As you can see, we have 66 cycle counts on it, but we are still at 100%. Even though it has been getting extremely hot during these betas, it seems like it has not impacted the battery capacity just yet. Let's jump into stocks just to see how everything's gonna load. And again, it seems like it is running pretty smooth here. Let's go ahead and also jump into Playground and see how this is gonna load. Let's do Starry Night of an Astronaut. That's a scientist. Looks like it somehow automatically added a picture of myself in here. And you can see it's kind of taking its time and not being very fluid like you would hope. Not sure what's going on here. There we go. That took longer than you would anticipate, but it did work nonetheless, and it does look somewhat accurate. Aside from how goofy some of these animations look, let's do one more with a stage and a desert and a cat. So that was much better response time. And let's see, the phone is actually a little warm, but that could just be simply from the actual restore from the update coming in. Nothing of concern there just yet. But also jumping back into settings and kind of scrolling through Apple Intelligence and Siri, I didn't see anything else new here. No new update or options under ChatGPT either. Same as we had in Beta 3. Nothing new with the action buttons, I don't believe either. So at a quick glance, there is not too much new with this build. Again, this is anticipated. We are 4 betas in, and we are expecting now a full release very soon. So today is currently a Wednesday, release for Apple on this. Traditionally, we get these on Mondays or Tuesdays, but having said that, we should possibly get the release candidate or RC next week, possibly on the 25th, and we're still looking around the first week of December or the latest, the 9th, for this to go out to the general public. So the release seems to be in line. It's going to be very questionable to see how this beta does, especially in regards to battery life. Performance seems okay currently, but it is, again, just a small sample size. That's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up the video. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.